Step 1. Drag and drop in timeline which you want to do a multi-merge. For example, I have dropped 3 clips. After that, select all, right click, new fusion clip. We have to convert. Click on up arrow. Step 2. So for example, currently you can see there are different merge. So how we can fix it? We can delete all this merge. Choose from here multi-merge. We will drag and drop to the line. Now we will connect all this in one merge. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, all are connected in one merge. This is way 1. Step 1. Create new fusion composition. Drag and drop fusion composition to timeline. Click up arrow. Step 2. Connect background to media out. So after that, anything which you want to add, for example text 1, text 2. Now we will choose multi-merge. We will drop on line. We will connect all. Like this you can use multi-merge. Thank you.